So this is our LG TV. I just took the board out of LG TV and we gonna bake it. I'm serious, we're gonna bake it. See, I am going downstairs. This TV stopped working and YouTube told us to bake the board. So here she allowed us. So it's for the record. And here is the oven. We are warming up the oven to 385. Then we're gonna put it in this sheet right here and then bake it for 10 minutes. I will show you what happened after. Okay, oven is at 385 now. So we are really gonna put this in the oven to bake. Simran, open up that oven.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will make it like a Boston guy.
Here you go. It is going in.
We're now going
It's
in.
385 for 10 minutes. So we are setting a timer for 10 minutes. Start. Okay, we will see what happens after 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes are up, so we're gonna stop the oven. We're gonna look at it, see how that thing looks. It looks little fishy, I don't know. There's some smoke coming out. So we will see what happens.
I think we should take it out.
Okay, we left it out of the oven for almost 10 minutes. Looks like it is has cooled down. So we gotta check and try it on the TV now. See if it works. I'm taking it upstairs and I will show you after a few minutes what happens. If our TV starts working or we just ruined the whole TV. Okay, here's the TV. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, so here we are. Right now we're putting back the motherboard or inside the TV. And right now my dad here is tightening it up, and then we're gonna put together the wires.
Turn it off. We got the extension, so we're gonna lift it up and see if TV turns on or not. Okay, we are lifting it up. Simon, hold it. Okay, I'm pressing the power button. Yeah, let's see if it goes. Oh God, it worked. Yes! Yes! My God!
Really, right?
Oh man, I will recommend everybody to do that.
Yeah.
Just bake the motherboard and your TV will work. I'm serious. I was about to buy a new TV, but looks like now I don't have to. Here you go. It was not going to any other mode except that screen. So, or if anybody needs some information about it, call me. We're gonna connect that wire and see after assembling it if it works or not. Ha ha ha. Okay, this is where it was getting stuck in the past. Okay. Oh, whoa. I just saved about $500 thanks to YouTube.